Hey, was geht, bros? So, my fat ass battery died at the last car meet because I dropped too much sick beats without running the engine. So I swapped it for a lightweight race battery.
Do you have any special talent?
The manufacturer says this is 7.7 kilograms, so let's check it out. Okay, let's check the weight. And it says 7.5 kilograms. That's actually a little bit lighter than they say in the specs. Maybe it's not fully charged. Because the new battery is much smaller, I searched for the position where I can reach all terminals, the minus and the plus, and now I mock it up. Okay, let's do a little weight comparison. Ugh. And the OEM battery got 15.7 kilograms. That's double the weight of this one. This is the finished design of the battery fixture, which goes in the 3D printer. Alright, all parts are printed. Let's see how they fit together. The battery goes in the adapter plate and I added some bumps so the battery is nice and tight and without play. So let's check it out. Fits perfect in, no play. And the adapter plate goes in the OEM battery holder. Alright, next one. The clamping bar goes on top of this one. So snap right in. Alright, nice and tight. Now we can put this on the top of the battery. So perfect. And there we have our custom made battery holder. with a new battery.